Good morning, students. Welcome to our computer class. In your last class, I have given one worksheet where one program was there to solve. Hope you have solved that and submitted your form. Now in today's class, we will find out the solution of that program. Just check it. This was the program. Write a program to accept a sentence and store all the words of that sentence into an array. And then display each element of that array in reverse order. That means it will display each word in reverse order. So let's start. I will take runtime input. So let me import scanner class, import java.util.scanner, then class my class public static void main string args. First let me make one object of scanner class, sc equal to new scanner system.in. Ask user to enter a sentence, system.out.println, enter a sentence. Take the input string s equal to sc dot next line because it is multi-word string. Now how to take out what? We know that to take out what we have to find out space. Based on space only we take out what. So what we will do, we have to add one space at the end so that the last word will be taken out based on that last space which is not there. So at the time of taking input only, let me add one space at the end. Now at first we have to count how many words are there. How we will count number of words? How many spaces are there? That many words, because already we have added one space at the end. So total how many spaces are there? That many words are present. So how many words are there? With that value we have to create one string array to store all these words in that array. So first we will count how many words are there. Int w for word counter. Let me initialize this variable by 0. And one more variable is required, I, the loop control variable, to get the index number. More variable we will declare afterwards. That's why I'm leaving this with comma. Make a for loop, I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. Here we will check for space. If s dot caret I equal to space character, then increase the counter variable w. So here we are counting the number of words in w. Now with w we have to create one array, string array obviously, to store words. String word equal to new string what with w elements. Now for string array also we need one index variable. Let's take int and initialize it with 0. Now we have to take out words to store in array. One for loop, int I is already declared, no need to declare it. I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. Check for space. If s dot caret I equal to space, then s dot substring from index 0, which you have to take in one variable p 0, then from p to I without including the character at I, because I contains index of space. So this will take out one word, and then we have to update the value of p equal to I plus 1, so that next time p will point what, the index number of the character after the first space, and after that when it will get the next space, from that p means the index number of the first character of next word till the next space will give the second word. Now this word where to store? In array. Array name is word and index number will be int, which I have declared with 0 index. So first word will be stored in the first element whose index is int 0. Then plus plus, it will give the next index. The next time when substring will give the second word, that will be stored in the second index. So this way it will continue. Let me close this if and then for loop. So in this loop actually what we are doing, we are taking out words and storing the words into the array word. Now we have to take out the words to display them in reverse order. So again we have to make one for loop. Now this for loop will give the index number of the array. For that I have declared the variable ind equal to 0, ind less than w, because w is the number of elements, and ind plus plus. This will give the index number of all the elements of the string array word. Now with this index number, how to take out the elements value? Word of ind. This will give one element, next time second element, then third element. First time ind is 0, so word of 0 means first element, so first word. Then ind plus plus means 1, word of 1 means second element's value, second word. Now this word we have to display in reverse order. So make one index number loop which will give the index number for all the character of this word in reverse order. So I equal to first element's value, first string dot length minus 1, which will give the index number of the last character of the first element's word. Then I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Here system.out.print word of ind is a string dot caret I. Then after this inner loop you have to leave one space so that the next word will be displayed after one space, or you can give println to display the next word in next line. So to display each word in separate line we have to use system.out.tag println, and to display all the words in same line separated by space, here you have to write system.out.print space print, and giving println to display them in separate line. Close this for loop, close the function, close the class. Let's compile to find out typing mistake. Yes, system.out.println, not in. No more syntax error. Close it. Execute the program. I'm calling main function. Enter a sentence. This is the first prompt string. Let me type my school name. Vidyasagar Shishu Niketan. V is missing here. This is my keyboard problem. Now press enter. See, this is the input and it is displaying what? Vidyasagar first in reverse, then Shishu next word in reverse in next line, then Niketan in third line in reverse. Okay. So this is the program. You can pause the video to get the program. You can take a screenshot and afterwards you can check by doing the dry run. Okay. So first we are accepting string. Then here we are counting space to count word. With the number of words we are creating string array word to store the words into that array. Then here in this loop we are taking out the word from the string and storing them in the word array. And here from word array we are taking out the word to display them in reverse order. Understood? So hope your program which you have submitted is correct. Today up to this much. See you again in our next class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.